Telegram for Santa, telegram for Santa, telegram for Santa, telegram for Santa, telegram for Santa.
My dear Santa, we are ready for your big Toyland Premier Parade. Stop. Have arranged a reception at City Department Store, Oswald. Get ready, boys, for our big show.
Okay, Santa, here we go.
What's wrong, Santa?
My suit is gone. Now I can't lead the parade. Oh, woe is me.
One day in every year, old Santa takes a rest and leads the big balloon parade dressed in his very best. He leaves his Arctic palace and drives off in his sleigh to tell the population that the toys are on display. He calls on every city in every land and clime, so all the boys and girls will know it's almost Christmas time. The people on the street have come from far and near to follow Santa to the store and see the toy premiere. See the dwarfs, funny men, each one is a clown. They cause a lot of laughter as they travel through the town.
For he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow.
Welcome, Santa Claus.
Meet the gang, Santa Claus.
Me like you.
Hello, Santa.
How-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
We want this Christmas season.
I want a drum, a spinning top, a hobby horse, a lollipop, a little tune that I can tune will make me happy.
I like a doll with eyes of blue and golden curls and dimples too. One of those dollies that's in the folly would make me happy.
I thank you for this party from the bottom of my heart. So here's a toast to Oswald. Now let the party start.
This is more fun.
Let's make a wish. Then we'll partake of this delicious chocolate cake.
Oh boy, some fun.